When we talk about children, we talk about our future generation. Let me introduce myself. I'm Safrida Hanum, the representative of Universitas Padjadjaran for selection Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2016. And this is my idea for innovation and competitiveness Indonesia. Did you know one of the main problems that Indonesia faced in 2016 is sexual crimes? This emergency situation put the children into danger situation. For instance, sodomy by Emon in Sukabumi, and today Yuyun case who had been raped by 14 offenders. Nyala untuk Yuyun is one of society reaction to against this criminal. Furthermore, President of Indonesia, Joko Widodo, has been classified as extraordinary crime, the equal with terrorism, corruption, and drugs. Most of us see this problem from victim perspective, but I will discover from offender perspective, whether even a child as a victim or offender has their own right to be free from discrimination, intimidation, and violence without any exception. According to National Commission of Child Protection 2015, there are 10,000 children in conflict with the law, and 50% is sexual crime. In West Java, there are 163 children were in prison. I'll show you this problem by three main parts. Firstly, the main factor of child sex offender. The second, the government rule to protect child sex offender. And the last, how to breaking the cycle of child sex offender. Firstly, what is the main factor behind child sex offender? Children have their own right to grow up both physically and socially, because as young generation to carrying out the development goals. But in the other hand, children who did criminal action is powerless and influenced by their environment. That is the reason why government, civil society, and private sector have to control and develop children in positive way. Secondly, the government rule to protect child sex offender. Indonesia has a model to protect children. If we see from services, protection, and development function. Also, Indonesia has their own institution to control children, such as police department, correctional center, and child special coaching institution. Unfortunately, children cannot back to their society because they are being isolated. In case, important to build cooperation between government, society, and media to change our mind and take responsibility. Second, give well education. And the last, how to breaking the cycle of child sex offender. First, children did criminal action because low protection from family, social environment, and media. Second, children is powerless both physically and socially. And finally, children become sex offender. To breaking the cycle, start improving good relationship between parents and children. The second, increasing the social control. And we together in society build child house, the places for parents sharing their problem. Over there is policeman or policemen that control security and psychologists. And in school, we build child care, the places for students sharing their problem and figure out the solution. That is the reason why I'm standing here, to help you understand the problem and enforce the solution in the same time, because children determine our future.